Hey, this is John with FixYourDirtBike.com, and this is how to install the exhaust valve on your 94 through 01 Yamaha YZ125. You can find my full top-end service video as well as parts and tools linked below. The power valves are not symmetrical, so you have to install them on the correct sides of the cylinder. Lubricate all moving parts with 2-stroke oil. Install the right side power valve first, followed by the left. Use new screws to secure the power valve. Apply thread lock and install the power valve mounting screws. Yamaha does not supply a torque specification for the power valve mounting screws, so I am torquing them to 20 inch-pounds so I know they are evenly tightened. After tightening, check the valves for unrestricted movement. Install the pivot shaft, collars, and link lever assembly. Make sure the link lever springs are positioned on the exhaust valve pins. Check the shaft and valves for any binding before you install the link lever screw. Apply thread locker and install the link lever screw. Torque the link lever screw to 44 inch-pounds on 1994 through 1995 models and 35 inch-pounds on 1996 through 2001 models. Rotate the valve shaft manually to check for smooth operation of the shaft and power valves. If the valves or shaft stick in any position, there is interference in one of the components. Correct this before installing anything else. Install a new gasket and install the cover. I have no idea where the gasket was for this, so to make sure I don't forget, I put a piece of paper in there so when I find the gasket, I know where it goes. If the cover is installed upside down, the link lever will contact it, limiting the movement of the power valves. If you need any help or if you have any questions, please let me know in the comments or shoot me a DM. Thanks for watching, and don't forget to like and subscribe.